everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shamela and today I'm with my little brother Shaheer.
Hello!
And we're going to show you how to do an easy science experiment. This experiment is called Oobleck. It's a non-newtonian fluid. It can be solid and a liquid. Let's show you how to make it.
You know how to spell Oobleck?
It's spelled Oobleck. To make this experiment, you'll need water, a measuring cup,
Some cornstarch,
a bowl, and a tray so that it doesn't get messy. Look, it's very hard to pick it up with a spoon, but then it drizzles down like a liquid. Now I'm going to go in with my hands. Look, it's like solid when I push, but if I do it slowly, like this, it's a liquid.
and when I fight it, when I force it with my hand, then it's solid, and when I take it in my hand, it beats like water.
When it's like a solid, it feels quite rubbery, but when it turns into a liquid, like this, it feels really cold. This is very unusual because most things turn liquid or solid because of the temperature. Like if you get some sugar, and then if you put it into, if you warm it up, it'll turn liquid. But this, it's not changing, we're not making it change temperature in any way.
See, it's turning liquid, and when I punch it, then it's solid.
If you would like to play with this again, you can keep it in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. But since it's gotten quite dirty now, we're going to put it in the bin, because if you put it down the drain, it'll firm up, so don't do it. And we hope that you have fun playing with your Oobleck. Subscribe, and until next time, Shaheer,
Bye!
say bye.
Bye!
Bye.